Things.
I'm sorry.
Hey everybody, we're here with Iris Walker, and she's dealing with a tree that fell on her house last night during the tornado that hit Fort Lauderdale. Actually, it was 2 tornadoes that hit. Now, Iris, you tell me you've lived here 21 years. Ever see anything like that?
Never. No, this was a surprise. It was more than a surprise. It was a shock. I mean, because I didn't see what I heard as I was coming out the bathroom. But I heard thumps. And I looked out that window right there, and that's about it. And then the moment I looked out the window and saw that, and went to turn and go toward the front room, the ceiling caved in. So it was more than just, you can't see the tree on the other side. But this tree here, it got 6 arms. And it's like 70 feet high, right? So when it did fall, I thought it was, when it shook the ground. And then as soon as I went to the window and looked out and saw what it was, and went turned to my left to go toward the front room, the ceiling dropped. Then I had to back up because I ain't had nowhere to go. And so I just stood there. Could you call it? I've been shocked, but I was.
Can't describe it.
Okay.
All right, thank you, Iris, and you have insurance, so that's going to be a big help.
Right, because it wasn't for the insurance, I don't know what I'd do. But we're on it. Everybody's been so helpful, so wonderful, everybody I meet. And I'm just grateful to be alive. That's the whole issue with me. I was this far from death.